Look at you. I don't know what happened there. I do, yeah.
Enjoy.
And we just leaving a card that introduces everyone to a Bible study course, if that's of interest.
Yeah, if you can just post it through door and leave it with me, mate. I'm just having a wank at the moment.
Okay, yeah, no worries.
Okay, thank you.
You have a good day.
Bye. Yeah, I
Bye.
will do. I'm nearly finished. Bye.
Hungry. Hungry? I'm hungry.
One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky.
Hey, mate.
Cheers.
Hello.
Hiya, we're local Jehovah's Witnesses. We've just been calling on your neighbours this morning to share some hope for the future from the Bible.
I'm just making a gay porn movie, I'm afraid.
We'll let you get back to that then. Thank you for your time. Bye.